DIY, do-it-yourself window tint, huh?
Yeah, this is clean. Normally it's all scratch. This panel.
Yo no creo, güey, que...
Oh, you don't think so?
No, bro, really don't. I don't believe you, bro, but I want to see. I mean, not a lot of guys can do it like this, bro.
How? Like without taking nothing at all?
Yeah, bro, like they'll still get a lot of dirt and shit.
No dirt, papa. That's it, that's it. I don't even clean it, you know. I don't even use water.
No? No water? Hey, you don't use razor blade? You're a liar, dude.
It's close, bro.
I know, I've seen that.
Well, I don't feel nothing with a squeegee. That's it, compa.
One man show, huh? And tu hermano, güey, si se quita los gaskets or no?
Yeah, he removed everything. Almost the whole panel.
Hey, wait, that's a nice little torch. Where'd you get it at? Harbor Freight?
It's cheap, bro.
I know, it's badass though.
Check what I like.
There's a lock on it. Where we're at?
This is in lock it.
We're at?
All the freaking homeless who got it. Oh, the skinny boy dude.
Oh, ese güey lo robó.
Yeah. That's it, bro.
It's okay. Look, big ass fucking gap right there though.
Hell no.
But this was my concern. I want to see this shit come out clean right here. Actually, yeah, it is gonna come out clean, bro. I can see because you got the film behind the gasket.
Exactly. If I do like a quarter-inch more, forget it, bro. You have problemas, and then when you try to clean it, you fucked it up. Same shit on the bottom, you know. If you have problems on the bottom, you can
Well, yeah, it's all gotta lay flat. If it doesn't lay flat, something's gonna peel.
clean the third.
Or if you over shrink it like you did, then you're good.